Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D cartoon style animation using AI. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, we're going to use ChatGPT and also Pixverse. ChatGPT is for creating the prompt, meanwhile the Pixverse is for creating a video. Okay, and you can go to the ChatGPT first, and then you can ask ChatGPT to create prompt for you. And I'm going to create 3D animated fantasy scene. And here I have already asked ChatGPT to create prompt for each scene. Okay, and then I'm going to select the first scene, and I'm going to paste it on Pixverse. Okay. You can describe the content that you want to create here, and then you can choose image or text. You can also upload an image as a reference, but I'm just going to use this prompt. Okay, and here we can choose the duration. I'm going to choose 8 seconds, and then we can click on generate. As you can see that it needs 40 credits to generate, but you can sign into Pixverse and then you will be able to get 60 credits for free for daily credits. Okay, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, and now my video is being generated guys, and this is my previous generation. Okay, and I recommend you guys to create scene by scene, and at the end you can compile the scene using video editor. Okay, and my video is ready. This is how the video looks like. That's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.